Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to solve this problem. A lot of people give different answers and that's why this question caused so much confusion. Before I show you the correct way to solve it, I want to talk about the most common mistake people made. The mistake is not following the order of operations. In this problem, we have a minus sign and a multiplication sign. The order of operations tells us that multiplication comes first, and only after that do we handle subtraction. But instead of following that, many people just started solving from left to right, and that's how they ended up with the wrong answer. Now, let me show you how to solve this correctly. We already know we have to follow the order of operations. So we start with the multiplication 3 times 3, which equals to 9. Now we have 3 minus 9 minus 3. At this point, we only have subtraction and addition left. So we are allowed to calculate this however we want. You can start anywhere you like or just go from left to right. I'll start by calculating 3 minus 9 first. We can think about this using a number line. Here's a 0. We start at 3 and we want to subtract 9. First, I subtract 3 to get back to 0, but I still need to subtract 6 more to subtract 9 in total. So I move 6 more steps to the left and I end up at negative 6. That's the result of this calculation. And don't forget, we still have minus 3. We can use the number line again. I start at negative 6 and now I subtract 3. Subtracting means moving in the negative direction. So I move 3 steps to the left. That brings me to negative 9. And this is the correct answer for this problem. Let me know how you solve this in the comments and I'll see you in my next video.